every child likes a ball. To catch, to hit, to pat, to roll along the ground, to aim it at bottles of Skittles. It's a nice soft ball. See? Doesn't hurt my nose. So I make it for ECD children because they can't catch well. Now I'll probably miss this, but I wonder if you wouldn't mind throwing it at me. You catch it like that. But ECD children don't know that, and so they kind of miss it, and it can hurt them. Then they're off balls for good.
Okay.
But every child should have a ball.
Yeah.
So this was someone's Christmas socks. So that is a Father Christmas with a red hat and whatnot. Now, it had a hole in it. So, of course, the person couldn't wear it anymore. You know how we get holes in the heels of our socks. But I took that and I made it into a ball. So what I need to make balls is a sock. Now, I don't know why somebody threw this one out because there's no holes in it. But anyway, so I take a sock. Then I need bits of something to put in the toe. So someone else was throwing out scraps of material left over from their sewing. So I stick the pieces down in the toe of the sock, all the way down. So here is one where I've already moved on to the next bit. You see, I put it in. Then I've taken, again, wool that was being thrown out. And I've tied off. Can you see? I've tied it off. Now watch. I put my thumbs in until they're right up, so my thumbs are in, if you're wanting to make it, and I hope you are. Thumbs in, and then I pull it out over what's already there. Can you see what it looks like now? And I can pull it as tight as I like. Can you see I'm pulling it? But you see it's tied. And now I take the next bit and I tie it again. I'm using a reef knot in case I do want to do it, because I'm a Girl Guide in the past and you're supposed to be able to open reef knots. I don't find I always can, but maybe that's my old hands. So now I've tied it off again. So it looks like it was before. Now I pull it up as best I can, as tight as I can. So I bang it against something, usually the ground. But I'm not doing the ground, Keith, because the grass is still a bit wet. And that's just to try and condense it and help me to pull this a bit tighter.
Okay.
Same thing again. Thumbs in, work it up. And I keep going until I've got it totally finished. See, back to there again. Then I can tie it off again. Now that's obviously going to be the last one. And then I pull this out over. Now what I did was, I started with the sock inside out because I wanted to have those nice things on the outside.
The
So
Nike socks.
I experimented first to find out how many goes I could get on it, because I wanted that on the outside because it looks nice. That's what I did on this one. I wanted that on the outside. Now I pull it over and I take a needle and some dark thread for this color. I mightn't have brown, and I actually sew it. And that's what I have done on that. I have sewn it. Now it's safe to play. It won't come apart.
Nice.
So that to me is something that every child should have. It's quite soft. You can see that. So this is really for an ECD.
Yeah.
And when I get more nylons from some people who are throwing them out, then I'll make harder balls for the upper grades, because then if they want to hit it or throw it far for cricket practice or even football, I can make it bigger. It needs to be harder.
Yeah.
You couldn't really get this to go far. The harder it is, the further it will go. Thank you, Keith, and I trust that those of you who are listening will see if you could make some balls, because every child should be able to have a PE lesson in school, catching, throwing, patting, even that's good for hand and eye coordination. So that's like a pre-writing skill, using your hands and your eyes together. So even that, you see, is useful, not just PE, but generally, educationally. Thank you.